Hi, this is Shiry, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick video on how I organize my washi tape. So I have a lot of washi tape that is my addiction. I use them in my journals when I'm decorating my pages. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to laminate a sheet of laminate paper. And then I'm going to take them over to the cutter and I'm going to cut them. This is what it looks like. And then I take it over to my cutting board and then I just cut the sheets is the length that I want, the width and the length that I want. I just turn the paper sideways and cut it. And then I place it inside of my box because I just refuse to go to a store and buy one of those boxes that is $29. So this is what my box looks like when it is completed. I organize by color, pattern, however I wanted to do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye.